Them might cheap. Our things them our house might cheap, but we know how to make the things them look good. We know how to fix the things them and make them look good. We know how to fix the thing them and make them look good. And down to them up there. The same road where Rosalee live on over Seaview. Same place where she there over there. Me can guarantee you say if you're going to our neighbor then house or the girl them, you're frightened, you think of foreign you there. I remember, let me show you this. Remember, I got England. I got England in 2018. I got England. And when I did England, my mother then tell my mother live. No, I lie. 2017 or 16. The first time I got England. Go do one show. I think at 2016. I remember, but one of them part them. And I go there, them time my mother live at Liverpool. And one of my mother co-worker them, a nurse over there, Zane. And when I come back, I just got England for 1 week. Big up Sophisticate. I got England for 1 week, Zane. And the 1 week I got England for me, said so boom and over Sophisticate. I drive, go up to Liverpool, go look for my mother. When I go look for my mother, one of my mother co-worker them up there, she come from Jamaica. She said to me, say, she beg me carry down one suitcase for her daughter. Zane with things. I said no problem, because I just go for 1 week. I'm never go on a big shopping or nothing array. Because them time they made it bigger than this and no clothes of England couldn't fit me. Every store I'm going to nothing couldn't blood clot fit me. Them I'm going to London town a one big and tall store, nothing couldn't fit me. Them me to one African man where they have one credit card scammer go, where you order the things them off a boo and you give him half of the money for the things them say everything them come to £300, you give him £150 and then carry the clothes them come give me. When me order I close them, because them not tell me true me big and I couldn't find a clothes, them tell me if you order be a 5X and the clothes then come every blood clotting big and fever sheet for me. So I just tell me fuck it and take back my money, so I never have no clothes to come back to Jamaica. Zane, when me said so woman, me never have nothing for when car come back. So the woman said to me, say she beg me carry down one suitcase for her, because I have nothing for carry down. Me say, all right, no problem. She said when she come to Jamaica, our daughter will come pick them up or get to a ride to come pick them up. I carry down a suitcase. When I carry down a suitcase the woman give me weighing overweight. Because I know England, them time the England must say again, must say 60 pounds. I think a 60 pounds a suitcase. So a suitcase we almost 80 pounds. You understand? But because me chat out to the woman and the woman just said, and put on the every part for me never have paid for no overweight. Carry the suitcase come to Jamaica. Them time me I drive them time now. Vaxi bus me I drive them time. Me get the suitcase come to me yard. Every time when the girl have drive, me they a country or show. Cause everybody know, people that know me, know say majority of my bookings them are country me there. So when the girl, every time a girl call me if come for her things them like our man come from work or whatever, for car for come for the pick up something from me. Me they are country. So one night me say, all right, boom, me I go just take it up and me just carry it come. Where you live? She said, me fi meet her out of Riverton. You understand? She said, right as a car. You know, for the people that know Jamaica, when you come down Punish Town Road, and you see the Waymouth Drive stoplight, where you go right, you go Waymouth Drive, like you go a little bit more, and you have one turn in there, so where you go in a Riverton Muse. People that know town, know me attack. Zin, keep up. A girl said me for meet her out at the entrance for Riverton Muse, figure her the bag. When me set some woman, me drive and me call her, she tell me she out at the front. When she come, people, I am not gonna be a pussy. I want a little maga girl, little small body, a big girl, but she little bit and small. So me couldn't give her the big liver 80 pound suitcase for carry her around her yard. So me say, all right, boom, me carry her go around. Me drop her on her yard, the suitcase cause it heavy, so me make you jump in the van. Press the sliding door, slide to jump in, slide about the door, jump. Me and my three brethren them in the car with her. One of my brethren them around them, him addicted to Marga girl, so him a look her. And we a drive around there, we a laugh and thing and run something. And me I say, cause first people grant you, this are the first, I told me live, and the first me I go in a Riverton. I never go in a Riverton yet in my life. So when me hear about Riverton, people know the stigmatization of Riverton. When you hear Riverton, you think about dog and some big liver aga walk up and down and the amount of rubbish. And you think about Ray and one thinking smell and the whole place smell like when shit spoil. You understand me I say? So over there driving, me see the house them. And I say them house look nice and decent. And I talk to her. I say me never expect and the girl I get like she get defensive. Where do you think over here this and that and where? When me set some and reach a girl house. She said, I don't know if I true me that this the place. Because I not really say this me that this the place. I don't say that talk because if understand me I try to say, me never expect Riverton to have concrete house and them thing there. So me just attack half of my uninformed nature. So she take it offensive when me attack to her about the place. Where pa she live? Past the scheme and grown as some whole house she live in. When I reach on a fair whole house or gate, she say, so you gonna make me carry in the back by myself? I say to my boy, say, yo, dog, that man I say, yo, dog, me now come out here say no, cause my virgin, me now go afraid for talk. Them time there, we never have no means of defending ourselves. So back in them time there, we weren't the bravest. Me not afraid for talk. Certain place me go up, me never that come out. But through the girl that me don't want to draw the bag herself, me say, when me boom, and come take out the bag, and me go to the house. People, God, if I lie, me I tell turn around and drive me down here so right as me turn up here so. You son me reach at the door at the house, I must say house have be a board pan, it's a concrete house, but a be a house look wackle up. You zinc them pan the house, even though at night, me could still say zinc them not really fully smooth off the house, look wackle up. Me not gonna tell no lie pan the people in place. When me set so boom and reach, typical when me I think about ghetto place there. Hombre. You see when the girl shove her key in at the door, you see the girl turn in up and draw out. Remember, say this about 2016, you know. Remember the date to me, this is before COVID, you know. Remember this, you know. You see the girl open the door, people, bumberas, clot, oi, a piece of cold breeze, rush out of the house and draw me up in my throat, so. A piece of cold breeze run out and grip me in a brother. And me I say, boom, clot. You saw me say so? I'm going in the house. My boy, we are going to say, yo, man, forward. And the man say, oh, I say, forward, man, come. Help me lift up. I want the dog to see what me I see, you know. Come, help me lift up your back. Come, I can't lift you up over and step. Man, come and think. You say, the man come and lift up and go in at the blood clot girl house. The girl say, take off your shoes. You see the rug in a living room. White fur. Remember, I said it's a 2016. Me I talk about, you know, white fur. Them time they never have sectional in my house. A settee me still have in my house. And a sectional, and the girl have sectional down a Riverton. People, down a Riverton, you know. Me I tell you, me not talk about Riverton Muse. Me I talk about round towards the dump part, you know. Down a Riverton, you know. The girl have sectional in my house. Them time the glass center table a beat. Glass centerware with glass center table with bombard, them ugly iron statue figure there. You know, big iron figure them we're selling like bed bath and beyond. We don't know me I talk about them big iron figure. We're selling like in a Marshalls, run a back part. Where you go on there, you see them big liver sitting there. Them glass figure there. Like we sell on a Burlington back there. One big liver one in a panny dresser, panny center table. Big entertainment center with big boom box and bass sitting around surround sound. TV there, blood clot, R&B a play. I can't figure out bombard. Ja Rule song. Yeah, I'm real. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you I'm real. I play upon the surround sound bass. Do. Me say blood clot. You look on it. You see wall. You can't see no wall. Curtain the right round the room, go right round. Be a curtain, gold and green and black. Right round. The blow house, no brother. In the living room, and I say, but me there, so I say, no man. She said, put the suitcase over there. So I said, show me suitcase over there. So glass table, them glass table with like some ball, they on the table, dining table, and me not talk about like shot in a table, you know. You see the chair them around the back around the table are like bar chair, bar stool, and a stool, you know, it have back, but it high. Them time them sitting on blood clot where you up dog. Them something not there road like that, and a river tan this way not run I dump this way no dog. Hombre, me they have to say, me can use your bathroom, please. Can't know me fast. Wanna know say me fast. Me say me can use your bathroom, please. You see, in time I set some woman going at the girl bathroom. Everything much. You see the facing basin have one curtain something around the facing basin. The mat, toilet mat, shower curtain. The shower curtain have one sitting like where comes so. But you don't know me attack. Like it have one piece with parts so, and you have the clad piece, and then you have a shower curtain piece in there. Bossy. With be a bobo upon it. Upon the shower curtain. And I say, blow out. You see, oh, you see in time, me said so. I mean lift up a toilet. And me piss in the toilet. You see me press the flush part for the toilet. A blue water come down out of the toilet in the dog. Blue water come down out of the toilet in the dog. Blue water come down out of the toilet in the dog. I don't know, but I feel like kind of foolish is me not talking. Blue water come down out of the toilet. Me not talk about normal white water or clear water. Blue water come down out of the toilet when me flush it. This my toilet having blue water now. Can me used to them something they know. But me I tell you, this is 2016. Me never used to toilet with blue water. Me never used to toilet with blue water. Them time the dog. Me remember a regular me talk that story. The first me I talk that story dog. Regular when me say so boom, I say bumbo clock. And me tell you say you know what me learn that night there. That night them show me say me not for discriminate against ghetto people. Cause them time me live in a scheme house. Me have my house already. My house never have not add not yet them time there. I mean, I look at me and say, me think me better than them people because I live in a scheme. I mean, I look down on them people. Say, oh, Dirty Riverton. So me I preach as Dirty Riverton, Careless Riverton, nasty people live on dump. So me have that how me have it in my mind. Say Riverton people is, I mean, I tell you, say, that was my first experience in a one real, can remember say, people them know a country me come from, and a town me come from, country me come from, you see? So when me come back a town, when me come a town people scan ghetto people. Country people scan ghetto people. Me I tell you that straight. Ask anybody where come from country. I mean, I scan people come from town, we live a ghetto. Zin, somebody say from 2010, my toilet having blue water. That for sure say me the back at time, wicked bad man. Me the back at time, wicked, can me live a town in a scheme house. I mean, I have no blue water in my toilet. I mean, I tell you say 2016, girl have blue water. So me look on them, me say some pray, I say to myself, say, don't discriminate people. Don't judge no book by its cover, daddy. And life can live at Jamaica. Me have a friend named Wendy. Not even my friend. A big mother friend named Wendy up at Fletcher's Land. You see, from we are little youth, from even before that, Mr. know. Them time they may have big back TV. I'm a yard and my big mother come look for me. Big back TV. But you know them first time entertainment center where black where you buy a coats. When them first time entertainment center there, we have a part where you put the component set pan and you have a CDs thing them pan it, go down, and you have a little glass part where you can pull and put things underneath it. Remember them, nobody can't tell me so as me not that all. Remember what me I talk about? Them used to sell a coats, man. Entertainment center, man. So I'm sitting with big and square, and then it come down, it have come down for 1 foot and 1 broad base upon it. And you put in your component and set there, and you put in your DVD player above the TV, and like the biggest TV you could have put in there. Them time, this is before flat screen. Flat screen went there, but I know the people have flat screen. The first time I saw a flat screen TV in our house, up at my baby mother friend house, when he went up at Fletcher's Land. First time that I ever saw a flat screen TV in our house up at Fletcher's Land. Zane, then tell me I be mother just start tax, you know, a long time that. You understand me I say that? Zane, me not talk about them nowadays, flat screen. Them time the flat screen come with foot. You remember when flat screen used to come with foot? Like it have one broad thing here, foot upon it, and you put it on top of sitting. You understand? Zane, first time I see flat screen, up at Fletcher's Land, I go see it in a one girl house. So if from them time that the girl them have the good thing them, what do you think I go on now in a 2024? On a dirty junker we sit down on internet, on the people them live. And I talk about you can't expect people at Jamaica house to stay good in a 2025. Because Jamaica then live. And I remember say nothing no good no there Jamaica. When you talk about say Jamaica people, place not turn good. Don't bright on yourself, yeah? Don't bright on yourself. Somebody say, who the fuck said that? That me hear them and say on one live to them I watch. Me I scroll and come through, pass through on one live and hear them talk about, oh, them people are complaining about, oh, Rosalee, oh, stay bad. You have to remember say Jamaica she live and the people in Jamaica have it hard. Because, hey, me I try my best to refer myself and tell them about it no matter, you know. You see, no for people were over here. You see people them they are foreign and things so. We have some careless family out here. We have some careless family out here, Jamaica, where me gonna feel like we gather foreign. Me gonna feel like say nothing nah, go on. A Jamaica, I gonna feel like say, all we out here suffer. Through them a call on every minute and I tell them no be a life and then cousin and then one another. So then can send 150 or 120 dollar come give them out here. Don't make them tell you no lie. You see, anybody with a Jamaica have a work, a consistent work, it not have to be no big work. Any girl with a Jamaica will have a consistent work and I got work every day. When you got them place sort out. It might not have the most expensive or the most newest furniture them, but the things them match. If it's a little one room them have, them chester drawer and them dresser match. Them bed match. TV there nice and decent. If them not a AC, them have a good blower Lasco fan. Our architect on the wall a spin. You understand me I say? Room smell good you fuck. You understand? Them have all the sitting them where every walk you swear so you dump in the back of your car. Every walk you psh, you have to look around and wonder there. Yeah? Nobody feel like a foreign alone a good sitting them and then sit there sell long a town in a wholesale. Foreign then get them in a. Them they sell in a wholesale long a town too. Cause me have two in my bathroom cause when me shit think. And sometimes I forgot to spray out in there. So I have to ensure say one in there, two in there, one over the toilet top, and one over me medicine cabinet. All in me not there. You come and me yard me on something like rose and strawberry and peaches and cream. And I told me buy that in a wholesale. And where me carry from. You hear me tell you? So when you don't feel like say people at Jamaica not have nothing. Move move from there. Don't make Rosalee nastiness make you feel like say well we at Jamaica live like hog. Move on shit. When move from there and go about on a bombard business. You know, alright, let me tell you something. You know how much people at Jamaica never go to a restaurant and go pick up a dollar yet? You know how much people at Jamaica never go to Western Union go pick up a dollar yet and they not dead? Eh? You know what people at Jamaica the hungry time them go to Western Union are probably for them birthday or Christmas. The hungry time them go collect one little money either them birthday or Christmas. And them a live good. And then clean said we and then house alright and then no short enough food and then pit in a favor like sufferer. Eh? Gone are the days. When you come to Jamaica and see people have jeans foot at doorway. Gone, them days they done. You're not gonna blow up body your door, go see no jeans foot pan ground. You're not see no jeans foot pan ground.